Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. 42 Jamaican workers will be laid off by Caribbean Airlines. Vice President of the Bustamante Industrial Trade Union BIT, Rudolph Thomas, who represents the airline's local employees, shared what the consultations have determined.
8 maintenance workers and 34 cabin crew were served a notice that they will be retrenched, and this retrenchment will actually take place for most persons on August 30th. The company has determined not to pay in lieu of notice, but to have persons still attached to the company for the notice period, but they will not be required to work.
Now, Mr. Thomas says the number of persons being laid off has been determined by the number of crew needed to operate the routes and aircraft Caribbean Airlines will maintain. However, the carrier will keep some staff on a special arrangement as it expects things to pick up early next year.
They have projected that they see an uptick in their operation. As a result of that, there is a smaller group than those that have been retrenched now. About 16 cabin crew who have been retained under a special layoff consideration so that they are available for any operational increase that may happen. What we have also been able to secure is that persons who have been retrenched would have first call on any employment opportunities, any increase in operation that would see them being required.
Now, we understand that this projected uptick also coincides with the company accepting delivery of brand new 737 MAX aircraft, also expected to join the fleet in early 2022. Now, Caribbean Airlines late last week advised it will be laying off 280 workers, a reduction from the 450 jobs the airline was planning to axe across the region. There was a decline in mobile phone users registered in Jamaica in 2020 compared to 2019. According to the Planning Institute of Jamaica's Economic and Social Survey 2020, Jamaica's teledensity rates decreased by 4.6 percentage points to 120.9 per 100 individuals. The teledensity rate refers to the number of fixed line and mobile subscriptions per 100 persons in the population. 2.87 million mobile subscribers were registered in 2020, a drop from 3 million in 2019. This brought mobile penetration down to 105%. However, fixed line penetration increased by 15.9%, amounting to just 436,000 subscribers. The increase is linked to more households and businesses subscribing to landline and internet bundle packages, prompted by more internet demand brought on by the COVID-19 pandemic. Banks and cambios are selling the US dollar for an average $155.54. The Canadian dollar is trading for $124.62. It's costing $217.23 for the pound and $187.45 for the euro. The JSE index advanced by 74 points, while the junior market index lost 2 points. Among the winners were JMMB Group's 7.25% shares, Fesco, Tropical Batteries, Dolphin Cove and Radio Jamaica, while on the losing side were SSL Venture Capital Jamaica, Stationery and Office Supplies, Cygnus Credit Investments Jamaican Dollar Ordinary Shares, Cygnus Credit Investments US Dollar Ordinary Shares, and Community and Workers of Jamaica Deferred Shares. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys, regional and international news right after the break.